My name is Salvatore Volpe, and I'm here to take you on a journey to an amazing new translational informatics tool on the horizon, ROMOPomics. But before I dive into the specifics, I'd like to talk a bit about why we're presenting this project at the OHDSI Symposium. One of the many strengths of OHDSI is its common data model for recording a patient's journey. The tools that OHDSI provides allow us as informaticians to compare each patient's journey, deriving robust and generalizable clinical evidence. However, there is currently no approach to easily integrate OMOP-compliant sequencing or omics information from genomic and personalized medicine performed in the clinic. As such, we have developed a tool called ROMOPomics to integrate omics data into the common data model. This R package facilitates sample-centric to person-centric omics data modeling by creating an SQL-like database of tables from the CDM. In typical OHDSI fashion, we extract and collect information from a variety of sources, such as patient records and reference omics databases, encode these into OMOP tables, initialize an SQL database, query the database to output the appropriate file paths, and pass those into a pipeline for automated analysis and imaging. After creating a conversion file, which we call mask, we can map the data-specific fields to standard OMOP fields for compatibility within the CDM. As you can see here, we have a sample patient, Sally, who has been diagnosed with a glioblastoma, recorded during a visit at Memorial Sloan Kettering. With the knowledge of how this data is stored in the local EMR relative to the OMOP tables, we can construct mask files for making her data OMOP compliant. During our most recent hackathon development phase, we evaluated the feasibility of this tool by integrating diverse datasets, including RNA sequencing, expressed variants, T-cell repertoire sequencing, and structural variants, and found considerable success in the transformation and distribution of useful data to analysts via ROMOPomics. Like the OHDSI community, the bioinformatics community enthusiastically supported this work in multiple hackathons, including at Carnegie Mellon University and in the virtual International Biohackathon this past June. We look forward to collaborations between bioinformatics and the OHDSI communities, and thank you all. We hope you join us on the road to OMOPomics.